Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change background color on Instagram reel. So first of all, I'm gonna tapping on this plus icon and selecting reel. So here is an option to change background color in reel, but we can change background color in story. But I can show you a little tricks that you can change your reel background color. So for that you have to tap on effects, tap on the search icon and search here background, and from this list you can select any background effect. For example, I'm going to selecting here this purple background, and here you can see my background has been changed. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.